friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Doctors confirm red onions can do wonders for your thyroid glands. The most perfect remedy that can heal the thyroid gland was recently discovered by a Russian doctor from St. Petersburg called Igor Knjazkin. You only need red onion. Onion consists of various benefits which can clean our skin and kill bacteria and germs because it contains phosphoric acid, which is known to be extremely beneficial. It is also very good in the treatment of thyroid issues. Here's an amazing homemade remedy that will help you improve the function of your thyroid gland significantly. Cut a red onion into 2 halves before you go to bed. Use them to massage your neck with some tender and circular movements. Pay close attention to the area with the thyroid gland. Go to bed without washing out your neck so the juice of the onion could act overnight. You will notice the amazing results very quickly as the onion juice will stimulate your thyroid gland. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.